Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Christmas-themed cake in the shape of a nutcracker. This was a particular request from one of my viewers. This is for Byron, so thank you very much for the request, and let's get started.
I started out by frosting two 4-inch cake dummies stacked on top of each other. If this were a real cake, it would be called a double barrel cake. I just wanted the extra height for the nutcracker. I frost the cake dummies with vegan American buttercream. Because it's so tall, I'm using a bench scraper to smooth on the frosting. Then I rolled out some white fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother in my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I rolled out some red fondant and cut a square and 2 strips on either side of it and laid it on the side of the cake. I have observed that nutcrackers are quite geometric, so square edges. Then I used a square of flesh-colored fondant for the face. I used black for the hat and the mustache and the eyebrows, epaulettes, and lines on the uniforms. As well as the belt and details below the belt. I used white for the eyes, beard, teeth, and hair. I put lines of red for the lips and black dots in the eyes. I used some yellow for the buttons on the uniform and the buckle on the belt. I also added some yellow to the hat. I painted gold edible paint on the yellow. Then I rolled out some dark green fondant and cut out a triangle with some notches cut out of it to make a Christmas tree. And I placed it on the opposite side of the cake. I added a couple different kinds of sprinkles to decorate the tree. I pressed a snowflake on the top of the cake, and I cut out some little gingerbread men out of red fondant, as well as some stars of various sizes, and I placed them on the side of the cake. I love how this cake turned out. The nutcracker is obvious from far away, And when I think of a Nutcracker ballet, I always think of a very large Christmas tree, which is why I added it to the backside. Merry Christmas! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.